Assalamu alaikum everyone. Everyone's favorite dish in winter is fish. Everyone prepares the fish in different ways. But my mom tries this recipe of fish fry. So let's start the recipe. Coriander seeds, cumin, ajwain, gram flour, salt and red chili crust and turmeric. So you will also need imli pulp and green chili crust, vinegar, egg and fish. So this is all you need. Okay? Don't worry guys, you will find the ingredients in the description box below. Now my mom starts making fish fry spices. Now take a pan and put coriander and cumin for dry roast. After a while, add ajwain in it. After dry roasting for a while, crush them all up lightly. My mom takes a bowl and mixes up all the spices. My mom says you can store it for a month. But my mom is making fish today, so we use it. Now my mom is adding imli pulp, green chili crust, white vinegar, and one egg. Mix them all up and paste is ready. Easy, simple and delicious. Now my mom apply this paste on fish and marinate it for some time. My mom tried a bunch of recipes, but this one is the best. You can also find this recipe on Food Fusion. Now my mom is making chutney for the fish. My mom has put mint and green coriander, crushed chili, imli pulp, garlic and salt in a blender and blend it. Chutney is ready. Now my mom has heated oil in a pan and fried the fish in it. I hope that you must try this hot fish recipe in this cold season. Will do. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye guys.